Bob and we have a bit of a problem in the
That's
studio.
why.
The guy, he has changed.
No, it's the hair.
Utrimile dog.
Utrime imiriri. Ufuni mohawk, Bob. Here, Bob.
I'm with that.
Are you gonna do a fade?
No. Yes, I'm gonna do a fade.
Are you gonna do a fade?
Yes, I'm gonna do a fade. I got hair, and that's that.
I don't understand why we have to be affected by midlife crisis.
You have no idea, Kuli Roberts. I actually have to tell you the full story and share it with Kumba. You know when you think you're hot.
Yeah.
You're the jammer. You
Da,
pop
da,
my
da,
bed.
so-
And then you meet Miss Africa from Ghana, who you met before. And you're like, yeah. I said, oh, hi, how you doing? Where's Kuli Roberts?
I just said hi.
Yeah.
It's the hair.
It's the hair. It's the hair.
Everyone is like, nice hairstyle, bro. Bob, school shinchile nae. Khomotso ikross kwenzakalanga. No, thola umuntu ayikho lento yakho. No. Thola umuntu ozokusponsor ngeinwele, ube right khomotso.
Kiloenza dinwele for your show today. So I took off my plait so that I can go plait again.
For what?
For your show.
It's my show. Why are you doing your hair?
Because there's brothers there. You just said to the moon.
Sweetie, Ukhumoto can wear a paper bag on her head and she'd still be the most beautiful woman in the room.
Thank you.
Kuli is loving everybody this morning.
No,
That's so sweet.
We just saw Miss Africa.
Oh, she's lovely.
Yeah, she's lovely.
She's
But I
gorgeous.
just ask her, what did you win, Joe? Because we would do these things to win, it.
Yeah.
I don't remember. Okay. I'm showing him booze, but yeah. Thank you.
Oh, right there, you big nasty. Right there.
And it's better line. She was sitting in the same chair like
Yeah.
I think she broke the headphones. I'm just saying, maybe like Angzizo Maranga ring.
I know, Scoop. So you were in Cape Town, my
I
brother.
was in Cape Town.
You were in Europe.
Ah, bravo, I was in Cape Town last week.
Germany.
Too. Yeah, I've never had so much fun. Like the people at Lababa own a theater, they were not ready for what's going to happen in the theater.
Yeah.
So many black people came out. Joe. Black people came out. There was not even
And
one.
that never happens.
Yeah, no.
Cape Town, there needs to be like a siren.
The security guard said to me, Prom, the last time I saw so many black people here, it was us, striker. The C10. Right now, Joe, like, and I've been working here for 8 years, and it felt good. It felt good. About 2 packed shows. Cape Town came out. Today's day 3 of my Joburg run. Yeah, day 2 was yesterday. Standing ovation. Day 1 Wednesday, standing ovation. Like me happy right now.
We're moving forward with Skumba on Kaya FM 95.9 together with Standard Bank. It's 13 minutes past 8. We'll check out traffic in a moment. But for now, we're still having a bit of fun with Skumba. So, yeah.
Labantu laba bavote ukuthi angaxoshwa bacabanga kanjani. Like no bro, basoveni country ethu. Like labantu abavotele Base labantu abavotela ukuthi angahambi bacabanga kanjani like sithini ngale country ethu sizofana nabantu base USA azange mabelieve Trump makawina. No one saw Trump winning. No one, Joe. Obama was busy. Yes, you know we can. Okay. Trump yes. Trump ask yes, vote. But this is what I said, Bob, and that was the truth. That I'm happy that Trump won, because expect right to go to umuntu esazi ukuthi akasithandi vele.
Yeah.
Then sibe no baba angene ngokujiva. Kanti yazi ukuthi into enginiroba. Laka sanga phela true colors. Lalela nje uDade sanga vela ngama true colors bro Bob.
Yeah.
Wovela simthanda. Uyacula una voice kanti akana voice la imuva. Enzana amakutasa la. Jive, just dance. Just jive. Black people want to see you jiving. Yeah, but I was thinking I guess called like yes. 10 years later, sithi woo imalenga gone. Ubaba bravo you asana nix. Izolo bring the confidence ukuthi bazoba ne vote of no confidence. Ba abo Musmayman abasana style into Obama uphumile. Bekenza Obama yeye kuno Trump manje akazi yoba ubani.
Oh, that's not right.
No, man, Obama vele. This is how akasekho ke lo muntu ofana naye uzofana nobani manje ayiyeki ngoba nimenjo yakho ithi ngikushiwa ngiyahamba mara bengisajima bajima mara ngiyahamba mina yabo sengihlulekile yo uma sibayimani sona walo mntwana baphinde bafuna ucosha abantu baba bathi hayi uJackson Mthembu bokuye othe sesi right yazo uthi siqani siqosha sonke
Yeah.
bafanele babasiqosha bathi ufuna ukuhamba bathi hayi manje la bengasho ukuthi immediate like yasambeni ngithi ngicela nibe ready sizohamba mara asinto ya this week like hayi manje nasijaka sisajoka azobuhlela abantu bakhipha mina I feel like ubaba kunento anayo against bonke labantu labo yazi ukubona khuluma ngabe uyazazi ukuthi noma ngenzani usikhumba ngangibhayisa ngoba mina ngine video kaSikhumba angaqokanga yasikhuluma batshela ayobatshela awuthi ngisenda hayi ngiyadlala.
All right, it's 8:22 and we're moving forward with Skumba right here on Kaya FM 95.9, home of the Afro Poetry. Just come back from Europe. Cape Town, and he's doing quite all right.
That is zero.
Now, you know, we were talking earlier on about the weather, how really messed up it is, and that I relate the story of the little kid who was washed away by the water.
Alexander.
But you know, through tragedy, which this is totally tragic for a father to lose a daughter from one's hands.
Sure.
You know, if someone is lying on a bed and they pass on, they breathe their last breath, it's almost palatable, so to speak. And I know there's a better word than palatable. But when someone just, you're holding them and they're gone. I mean, it was really sad. But
it's sad.
But that taxi driver.
No, so ngiyazi ukuthi
No.
ngiyazi abanye balahlekelwa ama insurance company afuna ukubhadala but bona they are not responsible for
Acts of God.
natural disaster. Ngiyabona labo ngiyaza kulabo. But le taxi driver yazi imoto ziyaphephuka uhleli phezulu kweTaxi. Yazi mara amazulu sometimes ulala. Ya uvule nomnyango.
That I didn't
Yazi
see.
udlala ingoma zakhe. Zaphela imoto lalela lo muntu lo behind the taxi yakhe there's a Picanto ngithi Picanto le moto encane iyachopela uzo uyahamba out abambana ngezandla they're helping women to cross at obabheka amazakhe taxi la lapho uhleli phezulu ubhale u4 ufake brand hood neskipa separate sakudala awumana kumentshesi lapho mara amazulu njani nababa uhleli phezulu kweTaxi siyashonelwa abantu bahamba ilalela jo imoto ziyaswima kuraf and imoto incane lezo ezindizayo lezi inkulu ziyakhona ukubambezela shithi kuzoba isifundo ukuthi mangabe uhamba ngePicanto ngekhosa le moto yana incane ufuna ubheki wena icela ukuthi angeke ngahamba angeke yaphuma thina ama SUV nebra ngePicanto iKia yazi iKia no ku wrong mara iKia bispina kanje ngoba amasakhula ne and then amanzi ehle estradini bese sithi dlala igap and then you put stick so many cheese bese slandela that was that mara ikalakatha behleli kanje no we kaze yofika kanjani le ntelo nangibambezela shift on la taxi I don't understand, like you see that there's something, there's too many wrong things. Let's storm laba uhleli phezulu kweTaxi iPicanto yawela ngale la eceleni kwakhe imoto sekusele ngeroof and yabona thing nesanje siphuma sithi help me akangeni ubuyaphi ngemoto encane niyaphi ngemoto encane umthiphe makathi yazi ngibroke. He actually means as in 10 million engazi ukuthi iva mara ngeke broke. Brokenness here to funny never.
Yes,
when you say we are bankrupt, you really mean we are bankrupt. Like what fuck and you upset you was very sorry above. Sorry. You start a bank, there's this guy that is running around with ATM. If you have money, that guy comes back immediately, bro. Like he's fetching your money. Start a bank, you know that guy, you know that bank was say 500 rand. Ik pay it out. It's all right. We pay the saga. We say a poor money. If you don't have money, that guy will be running.